I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be participating in the Timeless Elegance Home Decor tag. Now, this tag is hosted by my amazing friend, Lady PHONEIX, over at Really Good Living. Lady PHONEIX reached out to me and asked me to be a co-host, and I'll also be co-hosting with my wonderful friend, Glamour Ellen. Now, if you're not already following these ladies' channels, guys, please go do so. I'll leave them linked down below. Now, they love glam decor just like me, so I know that you'll love their channels. Now, the rules of this challenge were really simple. Create a video sharing 3 to 5 pieces of home decor that are timeless and elegant for fall. Now I'm going to start in my master bedroom with my love of blue and white. Guys, this traditional colour has always been around. It always comes full circle, and I love that I've added pops of blue and white throughout my bedroom. My first item is this stunning blue and white ceramic stool that I picked up recently from Bunnings. I absolutely love this stool, guys. I think it has that timeless, elegant feel about it. Blue and white certainly has been around forever. I remember 5 years ago when I lived on my farm, I had blue and white china everywhere, and I love how this colour completely turns itself around and comes back into our decor on the regular basis. These blue and white Chinese designed ginger jars are absolutely stunning and are so on trend at the moment. I also got this beautiful canvas set from TK Maxx recently for my walls. I've certainly been bitten by the blue and white trend at the moment, guys, and I fell in love with these beautiful blue and white designed cushions from Eureka Street Furniture recently.
I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away. heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical.
Now we're then going to start in my breakfast area, guys. There is a number of pieces that I feel are timeless and elegant. And we're going to start first of all with chandeliers. Chandeliers, you can't go wrong, guys. They add a glam effect, and I know they've been around for years. I love finding history when it comes to chandeliers. I love going to yard sales and finding ones that have been in someone's house for over 100 years. I think they are magical.
Driving narrow streets in a rusty car.
Another timeless and elegant piece would definitely be my round table. Now I recently got this, guys, but I do feel it has a timeless and elegant feel. If you think back to the Marilyn Monroe days, I'm sure she had a round table in her home, and I absolutely love the rustic feel to this table.
Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical.
Now another item that is timeless and elegant is my tufted chairs. These are called the gallery chairs by 1825 Interiors, and I absolutely love them. Tufted furniture has been around for years, guys, and I definitely feel they'll have that timeless feel about them.
Got the feeling from the start, you might be the guy who'll break my heart. Hello, hello. Even though I took a risk, it is worth the while for just one kiss. I know, I just know.
Now I have a number of chandeliers throughout my home, guys, that really represent the way that I feel about this home. I love that it has a rustic feel but has a definite glam factor as well. And the chandeliers just is the statement piece in any room. They definitely have that timeless elegance feel about them.
In the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you, we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way when it comes to timeless elegance home decor.
What can I do? Yeah.
Now a big shout out has to go to my beautiful friend Lady Phoenix, who creates this challenge every season, guys, and she reached out to me and asked to co-host. A big thank you to Lady Phoenix as well as Glamour Ellen for letting me participate and host with you together. Now guys, be sure to check out the playlist listed down below for everyone that has participated in this amazing challenge. And I so appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love most of all if you'd hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.